Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a custom charging sound for your iPhone whenever you plug in your phone. Some people have already made videos on it, but I found a different way to turn your MP4 into MP3 if you don't actually have an audio file. So if this works for you, please leave a like because it really helps my channel grow. You will need iOS 13 and an app called Shortcuts, which is already pre-installed, so just open that up. And if you just have a video that's not turned into audio yet, we're going to make a shortcut to actually do that. I've already made a video on this, but I'm just going to recap on how to do this. Just create a new shortcut at the top right, and then add an action. Then search for select photos. Once you click on that, then click show more, and then click on include. You can't really pull audio out of an image, so you can just uncheck images, and you could do live photos. I don't know if it'll work, but I'm just going to uncheck that. Then click on the plus again to add another action. And then what you're going to search for is encoded media. It has a magnifying glass logo, just click on it. And it should automatically say encode photos, but if it doesn't show photos and the photos icon, then click on media and then click on select magic variable. Then you can click on the photos icon. Now it should say encode photos. Then click show more and then make sure it's audio only. And we're going to keep it at M4A. Now we're going to click plus again and then add a new action, which is going to be save file. It's the purple logo with the paper icon, and then it should say save encoded media like before. But if it doesn't, you could just click on media and then select the magic variable. Now the shortcut is done, so we're just going to play it and then select the video that you have which has audio in it. After you select your video, it'll show up with the iOS files interface. And we're going to want to save it in a particular location. Just click on iCloud Drive, which is all the way at the top. Then just tap on Shortcuts. Now you see the name, it looks kind of weird, so we have to change that so it'll be easier to remember. For this video, I'm just going to put test because it's just a test. Just remove all of it and then make sure you get the capitalization right. Just remember if you put capital or non-capital letters. After that, just click on save, and I already made an audio file that's named test, so I'm just going to replace it. And now it is saved to that folder. Now the shortcut is fully finished, and you can see the audio there, and it is saved to the shortcuts folder in files. It's just iCloud Drive and then shortcuts, and then you should see your audio file there, and it'll play. Now we're going to go back to shortcuts, and I'm not going to save this shortcut because I already have a video to audio shortcut, so I'm just going to delete it. Then click automation at the bottom. If you don't have this, then you're probably not on the right iOS version. Then click on create personal automation and then scroll down until you see charger. You can make it play a sound when it's connected and when it's disconnected, but I'm just going to do when it's connected only. After you've done that, just click on add action. And now what we're going to search for is get file. It'll look like this purple icon again, and it'll show up with iCloud Drive. Unclick show document picker because then it will show up with an interface every single time that you plug in your phone. And then put in the name of the file and make sure you have the right capitalization. I put it all lowercase, so I'm just going to put test and then .m4a. Make sure to get all of this right or else it will say the file is unknown and it won't play it. After that, you can just exit out of that and then click on the plus again. This time we're going to search for play sound. Then click on the play sound icon and then click show more. It should say the file as sound file. If it doesn't, then you can just click on choose variable and then you'll be able to select a magic variable. Then you can just click on file. If your audio file is too loud, you can add a new action which sets the volume to a certain percentage. So you could just search for it, set volume, and then it will work. Now make sure you have the capitalization correct and that it plays perfectly. Then click on next. And make sure you disable ask before running, or else it will ask you whenever you want to run it. After you're done with that, you can test it out on your own phone, and it should work. But also, if you don't actually want to do a sound, you can also do text. Like, you can make Siri say something. So if you want to do that, just go back to the shortcut and then edit it. And you can remove the get file in the play sound option later, but just add a new action. It'll be speak. Then click on speak text. And then remove the play sound and the get file action in your shortcut. Now click show more and you can change the settings of the voice. Now I'm gonna make Siri say hello when I plug in my phone. You can also choose the voice here like I already said.
Hello.
And when I play it, it'll say hello. You can also change the pitch, but it kind of sounds weird if you put it all the way at the top or the bottom, so I wouldn't recommend doing that. You can also change the volume for this if you just add the action set volume and then change the percentage. After you're done with that, just click on edit automation at the top left and then click on done. Now your shortcut should work and it should automatically do everything. If this works for you, please leave a like and subscribe because it really helps out my channel, and if you want to, please turn on notifications so you never miss another video.